Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Adyen card issuing. Review my usage experience. Adyen card issuing allows businesses to issue virtual and physical payment cards to their customers. Its main purpose is to streamline payment processes, particularly for businesses needing to provide their customers with easily manageable and trackable payment solutions. Key features likely include customizable card designs, transaction monitoring, and APIs for integration into existing systems. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and pricing. Adyen positions itself as a robust and scalable solution for businesses of all sizes. Their website highlights ease of integration with existing systems, emphasizing speed and efficiency. They boast transparent pricing, though specifics aren't readily available without a direct inquiry. The technology uses a secure infrastructure with advanced fraud prevention measures. Availability depends on geographical location and business type. You'll need to contact Adyen directly to check eligibility. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Adyen card issuing. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well guided, and I was able to create my first virtual card within about 30 minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed all my issued cards, transaction histories, and spending limits. I particularly appreciated the granular control over individual card settings, allowing me to set spending limits and transaction types for each card. The system performed flawlessly, transactions processed quickly and reliably. I had a quick question about setting up recurring payments, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a clear and helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the robust reporting tools, allowing me to easily track spending patterns. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, requiring me to access the platform through a web browser. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for fraud prevention, but the documentation was helpful in understanding them. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Adyen card issuing. It's a powerful and efficient tool that streamlined our internal payment processes. That's my overview of Adyen card issuing. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.